ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ AI ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯔꯤꯗꯔ ꯂꯤꯁꯥꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯖꯔꯤ
India beat Nepal 4-2 in a high-octane semi-final to progress to the final of the 2024 SAFF U17 Championship at the Changlimithang Stadium in Thimphu. Odisha FC beat Jamshedpur FC by 2-1 to earn their first victory of the Indian Super League 2024-25 season at the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar. Diego Mauricio and Mortara Fall gave the Kalinga Warriors a 2-goal advantage before the halftime break. On the other hand, the men of Steel brought one back through an own goal from Fall himself. Hakkasa Haukakiam earned a walkover win against DUC Chalangpat as WYFC Wangajing and Pathap FC Lilong posted similar wins in the ongoing El Memcha Devi Memorial Super Division Football League 2024. The 23rd match of the tournament was supposed to be played between Hakkasa and DUC, but DUC did not turn up for the match and eventually Hakkasa were declared the winners. Later in the 24th match, Dinkle scored twice to earn WYFC a 3-1 win over SYDA Athokpam. In the 25th match of the tournament, Bunk Kumar's double for Yairipok FC went in vain as Pathap FC staged a late comeback to register a 4-2 win. Social Welfare Club Vakhong pulled off a commanding 5-1 win over UCC Kakching in an intense semi-final match to stroll into the final of the 18th DSA Trophy football tournament. SWC Vakhong will meet the Social Welfare Club Kerak in the title clash. The final date is yet to be decided. Chairman of the Inspire Institute of Sports, Belari Manisha has expressed optimism that Manipur's judokas will receive a huge boost soon and raise their eminence in the international platforms in days to come. She made the statement after the institute formally signed a memorandum of understanding with Manipur Judo Association in a small function here at Hotel Classic Grand in the presence of Tathagat Mukherjee, CEO of IIS, Mamuka Kizilashvili, Judo Chief Coach at IIS, and Jivan Sharma, Deputy Chief Coach of Judo of IIS. Bijoy Koijam, President of MJ, S. Indrakumar, Secretary of MJ, and Moirang Thimdevin, DYASO Toibal in the meantime represented MJ at the occasion. Manisha said IIS has further ensured technical support to the state judokas from last year in addition to the previous provision of facilitating high-performance training to state athletes at IIS from the 2016-17 session. IIS has been operating through its center linked to Maya Lambi Sports Academy Mayang Imphal and United Judo Association since last year and has been bearing salaries for 5 coaches. In addition to these centers, a new center has been opened at Khuman Lampak Sports Complex to provide high-class training and technical facilities to more athletes, she said.